Woodstock, Vermont, population 3,000, 0 chains, and somehow more charm per square foot than should be legal.
We came in March, 29 degrees, snow coming down sideways, and one of us still ordered ice cream.
I liked it. 5 stops, a general store from 1886 that feels like a time machine, the softest flannel either of us have ever touched, a covered bridge in a snowstorm, and a hot toddy. Absolutely, I earned.
Let's go.
Woodstock sits in central Vermont in the Connecticut River Valley. Everything orbits this town green. You park once, you walk. The whole thing, that's the strategy.
Nothing here is copy and paste. Every shop feels like it belongs to the town because it does, and you feel that immediately.
We hit 5 stops, but honestly, we could have done 15. Here's what actually matters.
Stop 1, F.H. Gillingham and Sons, established 1886, and it still feels like the family just stepped into the back room.
This is not a souvenir shop. This is a functioning general store that has survived a century by being exactly what it is. You walk in and immediately think, oh, this place has stories.
And rooms, so many rooms. You think you've reached the end and then surprise, another doorway.
Cheese, coffee, mustard, maple, everything, antique scales, a dog section that is sizable, a wine selection, a picnic section, a full toy section.
The toy section, tell them.
Okay, I love Legos. The Lego Japanese maple tree.
I stood there like I was in a museum. It was beautiful. It was impractical. It made perfect sense, and we lingered.
There was also a $249 wooden toboggan, which in Vermont is a completely rational purchase.
In Vermont, not for us.
Not for us. Not for us. But I did buy darn tough socks made in Vermont because I am a sock person and I refuse to apologize for it.
He also bought fudge. Apparently walking past homemade fudge is also illegal.
It should be.
My grandfather would have moved in. He'd be in the hardware aisle telling stories to strangers, and everyone would be fine with it.
Daddy Roy, give the store an hour. It earns it. If you have it, give it 2.
Stop 2, Vermont Flannel Company.
They've been making flannel here since 1991, and everything is made in Vermont. Mimi touched the fabric and immediately entered a committed relationship. I was jealous.
It is that soft. If you live somewhere cold 9 months a year, you develop opinions about fabric. This fabric has excellent opinions. If you live north of the Mason-Dixon line, walk in. If you live south, walk in anyway. You'll wish you lived somewhere colder.
Stop 3, the Town Crier.
Woodstock has an actual community bulletin board called the Town Crier. It doesn't make noise, but it does tell you everything that's happening in town.
And behind it, naturally, is the Town Crier gift shop.
We found a covered bridge ornament there, which felt like foreshadowing for what the actual bridge was about to do to us in 29-degree weather.
It was a foreshadowing. Stop 4, Woodstock Scoops. Creamy.
It was 29 degrees.
It was 29 degrees.
And yet...
Okay, Mimi ordered cookies and cream on a cake cone because once you're cold, you're cold.
She went full Vermont again, maple creamy with a crunch. Correct choice, correct location.
4 people, $22.16 for a steak with a dairy heritage this deep. The price is honest and the ice cream, I mean creamy, is excellent.
Stop 5, Middle Covered Bridge, the one you've seen in every photo of Woodstock.
It crosses the Ottauquechee River and has been a crossing point since the 1800s. On a clear day, it's one of the most photographed spots in Vermont.
It was not a clear day when we were walking around.
It was snowing, and Mimi was still in the same sneakers she wore when we parked.
But honestly, the snow made it better. No crowds, just us, the bridge, the river, and 2 inches of untouched snow. We got the shot. Go see this bridge, any weather, but especially in the snow.
Scoreboard, 3 stops you cannot skip, 2 things to know, and 1 line to close. 3 you cannot skip.
1, F.H. Gillingham and Sons. Give it an hour. Buy the fudge. Consider the socks.
2, Woodstock Scoops, temperature irrelevant. Order something maple.
And 3, Middle Covered Bridge. Go early, go in snow, bring a camera.
2 things to know. 1, Woodstock is fully walkable. All 5 stops were within 10 minutes of the town green. Park once, walk everywhere.
2, Plan a full day. We barely scratched the surface. Woodstock wondering.
Does. One line to close. After 5 stops, 29 degrees, sneakers in the snow, was it worth it?
Yes, yes. We had cookies at 4 o'clock and G had a hot toddy. Does that answer your question?
G was happy. No, it really doesn't answer my question.
Yes, it was worth it.
Woodstock, Vermont. Go and just enjoy.
If this helped you plan your Vermont trip, hit subscribe.
Restaurants, resorts, real experiences, everywhere we travel, no fluff. We'll see you here next time
On Mimi and G.